Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. See how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
I've been searching for the right one. I've been searching for you all along. I've been searching for everybody in the we thank God for our life, for He's so good. Kindness to you, man. Spend your life since you was, and up to today you still kicking. So many was born on your birthday, that you did. So many was born on your birthday, but today. It's in past. Never take my life to, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you, yeah, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Young Clever Day, one down the young response and case of the rock shot. Sorry for some spicy. It sounds like I have my emotion, but she's so looking like a razor. Like a Mario, I see I just is hustling. We'll be love, we'll be chatting, we'll be flashing, we'll be whining, we'll be dining. Saturday, yeah, they gonna get up, she gonna do it. So she promise us, you like a bit of a lasso. Why you didn't put me like this, so I don't die you. Not enough to promise me, you can see it. Everybody that's socialized, you know, I can't take this any longer. Cause you know what you do, they make me back. I'm tired, since you're funny corner. Taking every day, you don't keep on brother. We've been love, we've been trusting, we've been flexing, we've been whining, we've been dining. Saturday, she didn't feel love. Money, love, she didn't do me. So she promised us to make a bit of a lasso. Why they do me like this? So I don't know you. This is not enough. I don't know you. Money, love, you get paid. You make I carry. See, Alaisa, Lady Arisa, this guy's a baby. Oh, the matter, Lorita, Salamo, Rijo Vidada, your brother, your neighbor, right now. I can't get a simple. Hey, I'm gonna get time.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe, there's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so that if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.